The Cat and the Fox. Once, a cat and a fox got into an argument about who was more clever. "I know so many tricks to save myself from a predator." "How many do you know?" asked the fox. "I know just one trick, but that one trick is enough," replied the cat. And then they saw a pack of hounds fast approaching them. The cat quickly climbed up a tree, hiding behind the leaves. "This is my trick," called the cat. "Now let me see yours." The fox had so many plans to escape, but he could not decide which one to try first. In the end,